What is going on, YouTube family? Welcome back to another episode of NAS100 analysis today, and we're going to be picking up from where we left off yesterday in regards to some of the news we were talking about. And the main man, Alataza, right, said price was coming up to around this zone, and look where price is, around this zone, right? It's fantastic. Good shot again. To the main man, all right, definitely appreciate you and thank you for obviously hanging on this channel. I do hope you are a subscriber. I really hope you're a subscriber because you are needed on this channel. And I know there is a few hundreds of you guys out there just like this guy that are just keeping all the information to yourself. You need to share it. You need to get on this. You need to get onto the comment section and you need to drop some bars, right, as to your thoughts, as to what is happening, how it's happening, and so that we can analyze it and then we can see it. Because like I say, we don't know it all, and this channel, I want it to be like some kind of community, where all us on here, we're just straight winning. We're not playing no games, we're winning, and we're winning all the time. All right, so with all of that covered, we're going to get straight into it, right? So first things first, price is now in the zone, right? As a matter of fact, I'm going to color this whole box yellow. We're going to make this the golden zone, right? The golden zone. And make it a little bit brighter. That's it. The golden zone. So now price is now in this zone right now, okay? It may push up a little bit more, right? But what we're waiting to see is if price is going to start breaking down, right? Now, there's two things that we kind of need to bear in mind, right, as to what is happening, which is, first off, today is Wednesday and price is in the zone, okay? Tomorrow is Thursday. The CPI report is coming out and price is in the zone. Now, if you jump onto the CPI real quick, right, if you jump onto, not the CPI, if you jump into FOREX factory real quick, right, just take a quick look, right, yeah, and let's see CPI. So the forecast for the CPI, right? Let's open this up. Okay. Okay, cool. So previous 0.1%. The forecast for tomorrow's report is minus 1%. I want you guys to keep an eye on this number. Minus -1. Negative, right? So we're going to close this box down because we don't need to see what else is in there. We just need just a general gist, right? Then we go to the CPI Y-Y. I don't even know what that stands for, but hey, like whatever. And the previous was 7.1% and the forecast is 6.5, which is another negative number in regards to the previous number, right? Okay. So we've got those two down. Then we've got the core CPI month for month. Okay, so the Y is year on year and the M is month for month. Okay, that's what I'm assuming it is, right? So that one there is coming in 1 digit stronger than what the previous one is. So the forecast is 0.3, the previous was 0.2%. All right, okay. And then we're looking at the prelim UOM consumer sentiment. So let's have a look at that one. Right, actually, no, we don't even need to open it up. You just can see it there. I don't even know why I was opening up, to be fair. I like opening things. As you can tell, I like opening things, right? Right, it's a Christmas vibe, you know what I mean? Like just opening things. You know what the hell, we're gonna open it. We're gonna open it, right? So that one there is coming in at 60.8, right? And the previous is 59.7. Okay, so 2 negative, 2 kind of positive, right, in the middle. But the main one is the CPI. So the CPI is coming in negative, right? So we've taken note of all of this stuff, right? So we kind of know we're saying negative, right? CPI and CPI year on year is coming in negative. So let's jump back into the chart and let's have a look to see what this could mean for us. Well, if indeed when the report is released tomorrow that it is negative, right, price will be flying all the way down. I don't know how far it's going to go, so I'm just going to assume it's possibly going to come back to this zone, right? So when CPI's report is released tomorrow, if it's in line with what has been forecasted, okay, then I would expect price to come down into the zone. If I am wrong, guys, let me know in the comment section, because once again, it's important that I say this again. I am not all-knowing on these subjects. I am learning just like you guys. So if you someone in there has way more experience than I do, has a much better understanding on things than I do, please drop it in the comment section so we can tap into your awesome brain and learn off you. Okay, this is what we want, right? So based on what I've seen so far, I'm saying that if the report comes in tomorrow and it is indeed negative on the CPI, we can expect price to fly from where it is down here, right? Or roundabout, so even lower or maybe somewhere down here. Either way, this is nice pips, super fast, exactly how we like it. Hard and fast, straight bread, which is a UK slang for money. You know, yeah, money, you know, bread. So should price come from where it is all the way down here, we are banking. Pip tonight's, we are banking. You can get your missus the Louis Vuitton handbag that she's been dying for. Obviously, if I was you, I wouldn't tell her I made that money. But hey, some of you are in love. Some of you are in love. Right? I'm only playing. This is a joke. Don't come and get me. Don't cancel me, please. Don't do it. Right? Okay. I've been having a good weekend, so I'm so animated. So I'm going to tone it down a bit and get serious. Right? So let's get serious. So if it comes in negative, price is going to fly from where it is down here, and it's already in position. Hence why I've been saying it in a few of my other videos, okay? Trading fundamentals can be relatively easy, right? Because in my opinion, I would have gotten all of this hadn't this mad situation over here happened where it went all the way up, knocked me out, and came all the way down and knocked me out. Do you know what I mean? Because I had two trades in that position, right? But over here is looking a little bit more straightforward and more clean cut in terms of what we can expect. So my attitude to the CPI news tomorrow is I'm going to be super cautious in regards to how I do it, right? I'm going to be super cautious in regards to how I do it, because I can expect market to screw us over, to try to do what it does to stop us from eating. I don't know why it does stupid things like that. Like these moves over here, I don't understand why it did that. Do you know what I mean? Like look at that. It went all the way up. Then it came all the way down, screwed up everybody's capital. Then it went back up again. Like why? Why? You know what I mean? Right? But hopefully tomorrow we're going to get something that's going to be a lot cleaner in terms of how it moves, especially if we catch it right. So tonight, after I've done this video, I'm going to spend a lot of time analyzing this area. Spend a lot of time analyzing this area as to how I can improve in this area. Like literally, I think I'm going to spend, I'm not sure how many hours I'm going to spend analyzing this area and backtesting this area and really understanding this area. But when it comes to the fundamental news, right, and this is something that I've only come to the realization of, and how I came to that realization, it was in this location over here, okay? Is that we really need to study how the market moves when this news breaks out, okay? And yes, there is one way of looking at it, which is, okay, cool, the market spikes and it moves, etc, etc. But what I'm basically saying is, yes, that is what happens, but we need to understand how to safely get in knowing we're going to get X amount. Do you know what I mean? And that there is quite hard to figure out, because I haven't figured it out. Hence why I'm going to put some brains behind this area to figure out, as well as this weekend that is coming. I'm literally going to bring out all of the big news days in regards to CPI and non-farm payroll, FOMC, all of them, right? Mark them, every single one of them out in a chart, and then I am going to do my utmost to see if I can come up with some kind of way to safely navigate those zones, right? Now, I don't know if it's even possible in regards to the brokers even allowing us to even do it, right? I don't even know if it's possible, but I want to attempt it to see if it can be done, right? And if it can be done, and hopefully we're going to get it, and then tomorrow I'll be coming back with fantastic news in regards to how we've moved in the markets. But so far, price is now in the zone, right? Price is in the zone, and the fundamentals in regards to US market is saying that everything is going to be negative. So how you react in that situation is super important. And if you're new to this game, you have to be super cautious in terms of how you move in this area, especially as the news is breaking. All right, that will be my advice to you. So with all of that covered, my awesome people, I want to thank you for coming over, giving me your energy to watch another episode of Pips and Points. I truly appreciate every single one of you, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video, which will be very, very soon. So for now, this is Pips and Points signing out.